Hello, guys. So you're welcome to another edition of On the Chat with Dr. Harmonix. My name is Dr. Harmonix, as you already know, and today we are going to look at EURJPY. But before that, if you've not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel because I have a lot of amazing content to give you guys. Now, make sure you also press the like button and smash the like button and press on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Now, today we are going to do top-down analysis on EURJPY. We've seen a very nice pattern on the weekly time frame. We will scale it down all the way to the daily time frame, the 1 hour time frame, the 30 minutes time frame for everybody. Okay, so then let's roll to the chart to see what is happening. Now, EURJPY, if you've done the STR course or you have an idea about harmonic trading, now you could see that over here on the weekly time frame, this is a nice W pattern. Now look at this level. So this forms the change of character. Now, when we put our fib from here to this point, this one broke at 61.8, and the possible scenario we can have is a Gatling which ends at 78.6. Currently, it has touched 78.6, but it has not touched 88.6. Now, let's go to the lower time frame, which is the daily, the 4 hour, to look out for any possible scenario where we can enter our sell for EURJPY. Now, let's go to the daily time frame. So before that, on the weekly time frame, we will then have this pattern over here. We will then have this pattern over here, which is a Gatling pattern formation. Yeah. So this is a Gatling pattern formation. And when you go to my Telegram group, you can see that I have also given the signal on 30th of June. I gave the sell for EURJPY. And I think we are targeting almost about um, we are targeting almost about let me see, from here to here we are targeting almost about how many pips, about 2,447 pips. Okay, so let's go to the lower time frame to see what is or what opportunities are available. Now on the daily time frame, we had a sell on the daily time frame over here. Now we could see over here that it's giving us some form of consolidation over here. So there has not been any reversal candlestick over here like bearish engulfing or anything. But when you go to the 4 hour, there is something amazing over there. Now let's look at the 4 hour. Now the 4 hour is giving us a divergence over here. You can see it over here. Okay, it's giving us a divergence, and that means that the trend is about to change over here, a possible trend reversal. Now there's been a break, a retest, and I'm expecting it to drop all the way down. Okay, now let's go to the 1 hour time frame for Euro JPY. There you have it. So it's currently on the 1 hour, it's currently on a bearish trend. You can see it over here. It's currently on a bearish trend. Let's scale it down to the 30 minutes. Yes, it's currently on a bearish trend, as you can see. So let's draw our trend line here. Yeah. So over here, you can get a possible entry on this dynamic trend line. Okay, if you've already missed the breakout, you can enter your sell over here. Okay, you can enter your sell over here. Then you can put, since it's a swing trade, you can put your, since it's a swing trade, you can put your stop loss above the previous high, which is here. And that will give you about, let me see, about 34 pips. Okay. Then you target your take profit one. You can target here as your take profit one, okay, which is, let's see, about 320 pips on this trade as your take profit one, okay. Now remember, our main target is to reach is to go to about 2000 pips, but we'll be taking the intraday um, setup. So I take profit one. The previous point can be here, which form a resistance here, can come and form a support here. So I take profit two. Okay, you can see that this one, this support level form also another, this support form another resistance. So you can have another take profit here. Okay, you can also see that this level formed another support here. So you can have another take profit here until our target is reached for the weekly time frame, which is giving us a Gartley pattern. So this is our overall target, which is this level. Okay, so let's go back to the, okay, so we have to hit all these targets to the downside. Okay, so it means that we have a very long way to go. Just look for the intraday trade setup, and you can see this on the dynamic trend line. Okay, so you can possibly get an entry over here all the way and scale it down to our target. Okay, so thank you very much, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button and press on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. My name is Dr. Harmonics, your favorite mentor, and see you in the next video. I'm out.